Hey guys, I'm back. So I got the part for my for the starter, and when you go to do this, I don't know if you can see it or not. Lower it. When you go to do the starter, it has this little notch here, and it's got a gasket that goes underneath. It goes in like that, and then they give you a little kit for this to go in there. Don't lose the. I don't know what that's for. I think this goes in here like this, and that gets screwed in, so that makes contact. This is the solenoid. I got lucky; they had the solenoid at the car parts store. Anyway, I cleaned this up, and we're gonna paint it. I'm gonna paint it so it looks halfway decent. I cleaned it all up. So I'm mixing the paint over here. I'm using a high heat black paint because, they get hot. You can see I got a little bit of chunkies on the bottom here. Eek. Hoping I can get that all out of there. I don't know why I have chunkies in there. I guess because I haven't used it so long. It's a brand new can. It looks like it's only a little bit's been used. Bought it for the grills, for the gas grills, but never used it. So now I'm going to paint up our starter. The solenoid came with a new spring. I'm a little concerned the spring's a little shorter than the other one. This one's, that goes on here like this. I'm debating whether to use the old one or the new one. It's always something. I guess I should use the one that came with it. The new one. We're almost mixed here. It's been cold here in Vermont. It's in the 40s, the upper 40s. It's starting to warm up now. Probably the coldest spring I've ever been to here. All right, I almost got this mixed. I got my paintbrush. I'm not going to prime it. I'm just going to paint it, see what happens. Make it look brand new, even though it's not new. I wanted to paint it before I put the solenoid on it. I don't think it's ever been painted, maybe from factory. Paint it and hold it up. Oh wait, the car is almost 60. Is 60 years old. paint covers good. I'm not going to paint the head. That looks good. Make it look brand new. I'm hoping that it works. I haven't tested it yet. I'm going to put the solenoid on and test it. All right, now we're going to clean the brush. Get my acetone. I got the acetone here to clean the brush. I need to get the what do we got here? These are all dirty. Eek. Yikes. Any clean ones here? No, these are clean. Eek. We'll clean it in this. We'll clean the brush in this. Don't need a lot. This stuff cleans pretty quick. And it evaporates. One of my projects in my garage, I'm going to paint all the cabinets black. But I got latex paint for that. I'm not going to use the oil base on the cabinets. Alright. Alright, that's done. Alright, we'll let that dry. Let this dry. Whoop. Gotta put the lid back on. Mixing stick. Eek. Just got paint all over me. Yikes. Yikes. Where did I put the other lids over there? The lid's over here. There we go. Get that adjusted right. Make sure you put the lid on tight. You don't want that falling out. That'd make a mess. Okay, we're getting under the car here. I need to hook up the vent pipe for the gas tank. All right, where did I put all my parts? Where's that? Oh, there it is over here. I got this roll of brake line here. The least expensive way to go was to get this. I didn't want it. And then I'll just cut the end off. Alright, where's my tubing cutters? There it is. Here's my tubing cutter. Adjust this. There we go. So what I got a flare on the end here. I got to take that flare off. I need about 6 foot of this pipe. There it is. All right. Now we gotta run that in there, into that, and get a hose clamp. I'll lift this up so you guys can see. Here we go. So you got these little digger hose clamps here. I'm hoping they go over this hose. Oh boy. No, maybe not. Ah, they're the wrong size. Too small. Ow. Oops. Just hit my head. So I got these other ones. Let's see if these will work. Maybe. These might be too big. Seems like I never get the right size hose clamps. Alright. I'm going to hit my head again. Alright, I need the right size. Come on. Gotta have the right size here. Open end driver I'm looking for. Huh. I know I got an open end driver here somewhere that fits this. Strange. Not driver. Where the heck is it? Weird. Must be millimeters. None of my stuff fits. Yeah, I found something. There we are. I don't know if that's going to fit around there and tighten up. I don't know about this. I don't even know if you need this, but I guess you do. It's part of the vehicle. Let's see if I can get this to tighten down. I don't think that's going to tighten down. Gotta hold it somewhere or another. Nope. Nah, that's not going to work. It only goes so far and that's it. Huh. Now I gotta find the right size hose clamps. They're too big. Oh well. So, we'll get the line put in. I still gotta get a hose clamp on there. I think it's an overflow or something. It goes to the carb. These little clips that hold this on somewhere or another. There we go. I'm over here now. much longer. And I can use this brake line probably for something else on the car, because it's all the same size. Alright. Well, that didn't hold. Probably have one here. Let me see. That's supposed to go like that. Oh, it's supposed to hold it on there. Let me see. Yeah, it worked. This was on the outside. That's how that was. It's on this side like that. And we got these little clips that hold it together. Somewhere or another. Can you, oh, you guys can't see me again. I'm working over here and the camera's over there. Not good. Come on, get on there. Oh, that one just popped off. I don't know why, but it did. All right, we're gonna come back to this project. There's these little clips. I don't want to lose them. I gotta get the right hose clamps first before I can hook this up. No, maybe not. Yeah, I'll do it now. Get it over with and then put the hose clamps on. But I gotta get this thing to hold. All right. All right. boy. I told that close on that one. Woo. Should have gave myself a little bit extra pipe there. Phew, it's close. All right. There we go. I think that's good enough. Yeah, that works. Just a matter of getting it on. Jeez Louise. I might have to add a piece of rubber on there. Let me see what I got. Ow! Oh, hit my head again. Woo! Darn tires. So what I'm going to do is, see that rubber hose back here? I'm going to put a new one in because this one's pretty hard and stiff. I don't think it's supposed to be that way. It's dry rotted. Yeah. I got the new line and you can see it. At one point, I think I'm going to drop the sending unit. Check it. Check the fuel pump. But first, we're going to see about this hose. Alright, we're going to lower this baby. Back to camera so everybody can see everything. There we go. It's going down. I don't have to put it all the way down because let's see where this hose goes. I think it's down here. That is it right there. Oh, jeez Louise. Oh boy. Everything's scaring me. Oh, what? Oh, that's a dead end. It goes to nothing. Interesting. Well, that's interesting. That hose goes to nothing. I'm going to have to look on the manual. Maybe it's an overflow. Could anybody tell me what that is? It could either be an overflow or it could be from the, this was a turbo. motor, apparently they put a new motor in it, who had it before me, and switched it. Yeah. Now we're going to look on the manual here. See what I got going on. Fuel. Where's fuel at? Clutch, powertrain, suspension, engine, fuel and exhaust. 9. It's always good to have a manual. And I need glasses because I can't see. Let's see what I got here. Oh, there's the starter. If I ever need to rebuild that, it shows you how to rebuild the starter. Not fun to do though. It takes time. Try not to do too much. Fuel pump. Air cleaner, that's not doing me any good. Fuel pump's not doing me any good. Fuel and exhaust. It's not giving me a line, vacuum line, no kind of line connections. Oh, wait a minute. Let's see what we got here. Spark port, maybe? No, it wouldn't be spark port. Some of this stuff I don't have on here. I need to find, oh, here it is. Accelerator linkage. No, that's not doing me any good. I need to find fuel lines. Fuel line routing. Nope. How about that? I might have to look on the Clark site. Engine tear down. I don't want to do that. I don't see any fuel line routing. Nothing. Let's go to the index. This is all specifications. You can even put air conditioners in these things, by the way. Somebody had a turbo on eBay for sale for $3.99, but I really can't put the turbo on here because of the motor. Okay, fuel. There's not much of an index. Here it is, gas tank. Aha! I found it. Fuel lines. It's pretty vague on where that goes. Number 4, showing it underneath with the exhaust. Number 3. Is this for mine? I guess it is. Yep. Fuel tank. General description. Not telling me anything about that line for some reason. It says fuel pickup. That must be what it is. It's not showing that line in here. Weird. The only thing I can figure out, like I said, might be for the turbo. I'm gonna have to research it on eBay. So now it's something there I probably didn't even have to repair. I'm trying to figure out where it would go to anyway, onto the motor. I stuck this on here to keep the mice out of here. I got a makeshift fuel tank here so I can test it. So, weird. That's not bright enough. I'm trying to figure out if there's anything to the fuel and to those carburetors I forgot. That goes to the dash pot. That's the advance. Ah, there it is. Maybe it goes to that. Well, that's not hooked up. Oh, that just fell off. As you remember my other video, the Corvair caught on fire, but didn't hurt anything. I had to get some new parts for the carburetor. Although this isn't on here. Gotta get that back on there. That's probably where that line goes. That line goes into here. So I think that's an overflow. But here's the fuel line here. I'm gonna have to research this more. Interesting. A lot of interesting stuff with these cars that I don't know about. So that's working all right. This is awful tight. Okay guys, come on back and check me out here. See what I'm doing. That's about it. It's all done now. I'm gonna see what else I can do on this and tell you what's up with an update. All right, bye-bye.